Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing the characteristic of living matter from a biochemistry perspective. Living matter refers to all organisms that possess life, including humans, animals, plants, and microorganisms. Although living things come in different forms and sizes, they all share several important characteristics that distinguish them from non-living things. Let's explore these characteristics one by one. Number 1. Organization and cellular structure. The first characteristic of living matter is organization. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells, which are considered the basic units of life. Cells contain biomolecules such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids that work together to perform life processes. This organized structure allows living things to function efficiently and maintain life. Metabolism. The second characteristic is metabolism. Metabolism refers to all chemical reactions that occur within a living organism. This reaction help obtain and use energy for growth, repair, and daily activities. For example, humans break down food to release energy, while plants use sunlight to produce their own food through photosynthesis. Without metabolism, life cannot exist. Number 3. Growth and development. Another important characteristic is growth and development. Living organisms increase in size and undergo changes throughout their life cycle. Growth involves an increase in cell number or cell size, while development refers to the changes that help an organism reach maturity. For example, a seed grows into a plant and a baby develops into an adult. Next is response to stimuli. Living matter can also respond to stimuli. A stimulus is any change in the environment that causes a reaction. Organisms can detect and respond to light, temperature, sound, touch, and other environmental factors. For instance, plants bend toward sunlight and humans pull their hand away from a hot object. Homeostasis. Another key characteristic is homeostasis. Homeostasis is the ability of an organism to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. The body continuously regulates temperature, water balance, blood sugar levels, and other conditions to keep cells functioning properly. An example is sweating when it is hot to help cool the body. Reproduction. Living organisms have the ability to reproduce. Reproduction allows organisms to produce offspring and ensure the continuation of their species. Some organisms reproduce sexually, while others reproduce asexually. This characteristic is essential for the survival of life on Earth. Adaptation and evolution. The final characteristic is adaptation and evolution. Living organisms can adapt to their environment over time. This adaptation increase their chances of survival and reproduction. Through evolution, species gradually develop traits that helps them thrive in exchanging environments. For example, polar bears have thick fur that helps them survive in cold climates. In summary, living matter is characterized by organization, metabolism, growth, and development, response to stimuli, homeostasis, reproduction, and adaptation. These characteristics work together to sustain life and enable organisms to survive, grow, and interact with their environment. Understanding these properties helps us appreciate the complexity and importance of life from a biochemical perspective. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something new about the characteristic of living matter.